Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful animation in PowerPoint. So let's get started. This video has animation tutorial only. For design portion, please check out 5-step infographics playlist and video number 43. Let's first check how many elements needs to be animated by moving apart each elements of any one of the design segment. The same number of elements will be available in other design segments. Apart from these, we have two more shapes at the background. We need to animate these shapes as well. Press Ctrl+Z to undo all changes. Let's enable the animation pane and start our animation process. Select first rectangle from the background and apply wipe animation. Now select second rectangle from the background and again apply wipe animation. Change the effect options from top and started with previous. Next select first rectangle from our design and apply wipe animation. Change the effect options from left and increase the duration to 1 second. Now select next shape in our design and apply wipe animation. Change the effect options from left and start it after previous. Select circle shapes and apply zoom animation. Start it after previous, and for first circle shape, increase the duration to 0.75 seconds. For second circle shape, increase the duration to 0.75 seconds and set delay to 0.5 seconds. This will create ripple effect between both circles. Finally select text and PNG icons and apply zoom animation. Start them after previous. Let's preview the animation once. That looks perfect. Now making use of Animation Painter, apply same sequence of animations to other design segments. Remember, you must apply animations to same shapes and in same sequence as before. Now continue to apply same set of animations to other design segments. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment.